What's something you can say at High Rocks and to your partner in bed?
Oh.
Hello and welcome back to another episode of Love in the City with me, Kashish, and we are at High Rocks Delhi 2026. And you know what? The josh is really high today, as you can see. आज हमें सीधा पता लग जाएगा what these fitness freaks really want in a partner. If your ex was an exercise, तो फिर वो कौन सी exercise होती?
A warm up.
Finish line पहुंचा ही नहीं कभी.
नहीं पहुंच रहे हैं यार.
I just do yoga.
कुछ दिल का आसन होता है?
नहीं है
दिल भी तो तोड़ के गया वो. Yeah. Will not stop. I love this so much. What their biggest deal breakers are, and what would they choose at the end of the day? A bad workout or a bad date?
A bad workout.
Bad workout.
Dating in your 30s is horrible. सब dates बुरी ही होती है.
People here are well trained for High Rocks. Let's see if they're really trained for my dating questions. I'm so excited. Let's go.
एक सेकंड उम्मा, hold on. Yeah.
Hello, Auntie Ji. So, what's your name?
Soumya. And Soumya.
Wow, Soumya Square.
Yes.
Please tell what you do.
I make people run for a living.
Bar club?
Bar club.
Yay, let's go. And how old are you? 18?
41.
What? Really?
Yes.
Okay, how old are you? Let me guess.
Okay, you guess.
27? Confirm.
I'm younger.
25.
And that's racist. I'm Siddharth.
25?
No, I'm 23.
नमस्कार जी, कैसे चल रहा है सब?
Everything is good. Please ask me in everything in Hindi. I'm more comfortable in Hindi.
हिंदी में बात करेंगे,
हाँ जी,
कोई
thank
दिक्कत
you.
थोड़ी ना है. What's something you can say at High Rocks and to your partner in bed? मेरे घर वाले देखेंगे ना? नहीं देखेंगे भाई, नहीं देखेंगे.
Push harder. I'm so not prepared and tired that I'm going to give the worst answers, and then everybody's
fine.
going to be like, Anmol is not funny.
No, Anmol, you are funny. Everyone knows you. चलो
Fuck, what do I
बताओ.
say?
Keep going, you got this. You can't slow down.
Try to keep up.
Am I doing it right? Faster.
Faster. Don't come first.
ये तो बहुत ही बढ़िया था.
I was a lot faster than I anticipated.
You'll say that.
I will.
No one likes a quick finisher anyway.
So if you're doing a wall ball, you have to go deeper also into the squat.
Go deeper.
It doesn't make sense. It's from a woman's perspective, but okay.
क्या दोबारा क्वेश्चन पूछ रहा हूँ?
अच्छा, अब हिंदी में एक चीज जो आप हाई रॉक्स पे बोल सकते हो और अपने पार्टनर को बोल सकते हो पलंग पर, बिस्तर पर. If your ex was an exercise, तो फिर वो कौन सी exercise होती?
A warm up.
A warm up.
Yeah.
Finish line पहुंचा ही नहीं कभी.
नहीं पहुंच रहे हैं यार.
Burpee broad jumps.
You just want to skip it, right?
Yeah.
Burpees. Everybody hates them.
Same.
Wall ball. Wall balls.
Wall ball.
I should have thrown her.
Bench press. You don't like it? I like it. You like your ex also? No comments. It's a love-hate relationship.
A very slow bicep girl.
Oh really? You don't like it?
No, I hate bicep girls.
So the sandbag lunges, I'd say how I describe her. Painful, irritating. Can I just not have this in my life at all?
Sled push. I love her. I'm dating her right now.
तेरी ex को अच्छा वो ex थी क्या पहले?
I just do yoga. So I
योगा में बता दो. If your ex was an asan, which asan would that be?
chakras.
चक्रासन. जो उल्टा ऐसे पूरा यू बनता है.
I was on my own. I was on my own.
उसने मुझे
Breaks your
सपोर्ट नहीं करा ना.
That's the only asana which actually breaks my back. Yeah, so probably that.
कुछ दिल का आसन होता है.
नहीं
क्योंकि
है
दिल भी तो तोड़ के गया वो.
Lat pull down because I really enjoy lat pull downs.
You enjoy your ex as well.
Sure.
You want to do it all over again with your ex?
Maybe, who knows? Bug out, joking.
I think I need to dig a little deeper. What's the first thing that you notice in a woman?
If she's fit or not.
Makes sense.
Her eyes, because eyes speaks the world.
Eyes, Chico, they never lie.
Yeah.
A smile.
Is there any underrated physical feature that makes her attractive? Like, just say, मेरे लिए underrated in a guy would be his ears.
Oh wow. What?
Yeah.
But it's part of eyes, but like eyelashes. If you have like well curated eyelashes,
How-
and if it's not
yeah.
like artificial artificially done.
Not अरे वो
But
तो
if it's
बहुत
like,
बेकार लगता है.
so it adds a lot more beauty to the way that your
How would you
face
rate
looks.
my eyelashes?
I think a solid like 8 on 10.
Really? Let's go. Thank you.
welcome.
Okay. So what's the first thing that you notice in a man? Height. Height देखते हो आप? How much you need?
6 feet तो होना चाहिए.
कितना?
6 feet at least.
6 feet.
At least.
And how
Just a choice.
How tall you are?
5'4".
How respectful or caring they are to others around them.
But first thing कैसे आपको पता लग जाएगा कि
No,
respect?
just how they carry themselves, how to talk to people.
और 5'8" हुआ तो
चलेगा.
चलेगा.
जिंदा हो.
जिंदा हो, सांस लेता हो, चलेगा.
चलेगा.
थोड़ा बहुत बात कर ले बस, है ना?
If I'm going on a date, I can wear heels also. Should not be like same as
But
mine.
5'4" हो आप तो हाइट के बाद भी थोड़े छोटे ही रहोगे.
ठीक है.
Okay.
Done.
So what's
5'8"?
नहीं 6 yeah 6. I notice shoes.
What about shoes?
It tells you a lot about the person, the personality, and the choice and everything. There's something about it even
About the shoes?
Yeah, maybe if he's wearing Comet or normal Air Force, like he doesn't put an effort for
Oh.
it. And if he's wearing Onitsuka or some other shoes, he's putting some effort.
Wow, yaar. I mean, oh my god, that is crazy. What about you?
I like the physique.
The physique, like what, 6 abs?
No, not necessarily 6 abs. Just you're regular with your workouts, you're maintaining yourself. That reflects from the physique.
I'm not getting over that shoes part. yaar. I'm just like not over that.
What do you notice?
Ears?
No, that's weird. Okay, that's weird.
I'm looking at everyone's ears now.
They creep me out.
For example, you're my guy.
Okay, I'm your guy. I am happy to be your guy.
I'm straight as pole, but still, okay?
I'm also straight.
Okay.
But she's so beautiful that I'll turn lesbian for you.
Oh my god, we are going on a date after this.
Food court चलते हैं. Chicken tikka.
Okay. If ADHD had a face, हम लोग कहाँ से कहाँ चले?
कहाँ चले? लड़कियाँ no. What's worse, a bad date or a bad workout?
A bad workout.
Bad workout.
A bad date. I'm not going to pretend like a bad workout is that bad. It's not that bad.
Yeah, you can do it the next day.
Yeah, a
हो
bad
जाएगा.
date is terrible.
या दिल पे
Awkward.
लगती है.
I think a bad workout. A bad date you can get over.
Really? Can you?
A bad date, because any workout is a workout. But if it's a bad date, then you wasted time, you wasted money, and you wasted time that you could have made more money. That rhymed.
A bad workout. Dating in your 30s is horrible. सब dates बुरी ही होती है.
ये bad workout.
Bad date का कोई
आप ऐसी
फर्क
जगह आ
नहीं
गए
पड़ रहा किसी
जहाँ
को.
पे bad workout is a pretty wasted day.
Workout can be repeated the next
है
day.
ना?
You can
है
do
ना?
better.
And you might hold memories from that date. I mean, even if you say, okay, oh, we'll work on it, but I
You
think
have
you're
an
always going to hold memories from the
No,
bad.
I agree. What's your favorite day?
Leg day. So,
Oh, so you
I
like-
love working out for legs because it helps me in running also.
मेरे को I like shoulders, पता है?
हाँ.
Shoulder day मुझे बहुत पसंद है. Oh my god, wow. You need to rate the trait that I'll tell you out of 10.
Okay.
1 is the lowest, 10 is the highest. Height.
7.
8.
7 out of 10.
8.
10. 20. 30.
I don't give a shit about height. 0.
0.
I don't care.
मतलब 1 feet
I mean,
चलेगा.
1 feet is a problem. Okay, fine. So solid 5.
Fitness.
7.
10.
11.
11.
9.5.
10. Wow. 10. 10. Love it. 10.
10 out of 10.
I'll rate 100 out of 10.
You be more fit than me. That's like the biggest turn on.
Yeah.
That's-
Face.
8.
I want to say 10, but like again, 8 out of 10.
Important. Like 7.
Face चलेगा. 6, 7 चलेगा. Personality अच्छा होना
अच्छा,
चाहिए ना.
personality
हाँ,
अच्छा.
face का क्या है?
Face का
आचार
क्या है?
थोड़ी ना.
10.
10.
Let's say 8. 10.
Hair.
9.
That is important.
मेरे हैं ही नहीं.
अरे तो अच्छा आपका compensate करना चाहिए ना उसे.
10 out of 10.
Okay.
That's a new one. I don't think I've ever seen that. Like a 6 or a 7.
6, 7. 6, 7.
I'm Bengali, so I'd rate that highly. Like 8.
7 or 8.
10. 10 guys.
बाल चाहिए मुझे.
8.5.
Shoulder है.
Yeah.
Minus.
Minus यार. इधर उधर बाल नहीं. बाल सर पे चाहिए. Fashion sense.
10 out of 10.
Oh, 10.
10 भाई. I think
Yeah.
20 for me.
Yeah, 100%. I think scent is 20 for me.
Yeah.
Please 9. I'm from North East. तो North East लोगों का वैसे भी fresh.
बहुत अच्छा होता है.
हाँ.
9.
मैं ठीक कर दूंगी. It's okay.
8.
बहुत important है.
8.
6 बोलने वाले थे. फिर realize हुआ
8.
नहीं यार.
हाँ, 8.
थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा अच्छा
8
चाहिए.
is.
Good 9.
9.
9.
9. What about confidence?
10 on 10.
9.
10.
9.
9, 10.
10 out of 10.
Money. Money, money, money.
5.
10.
9.
5. Oh, ऐसा नहीं चाहिए. नहीं, already है. It's fine. I'll take you on a date. Correct.
I don't care. 0.
10 on 10. 10 on 10.
Doesn't matter. One.
If you earn more than me, I'm still happy. Anything works. Doesn't
Anything
care.
works.
Yeah.
He's a sweet guy.
Yeah.
Are you single?
No.
Money itna nahi. Doesn't matter. Because I earn. What else he can provide me? Money? Really? No.
Humor?
Ooh, like an 8. I can
funny.
do without it, but if you have it, why not?
Why not?
Yeah.
It's like a bonus.
Keep me laughing.
8.
बड़े sorted बंदा है ये.
10 on 10.
10 on 10. Are you
Yes.
performing there?
Yes, I'm performing.
So it has to be 10 on 10.
Yes, yes.
Humor 10 please.
10.
क्योंकि मैं खुद ही इतना
आप फनी हो, आप बकचोद हो. मैं भी बहुत बकचोद हूँ. मुझे देख के वाइब भी पता लग गई बैठते.
Important.
Important. You want a funny girl.
I'd say a sense of humor just keeps things ticking when life gets a little mundane. So, like 7.
Ooh, 10. 10. Funny मांगता है.
I can be the more humorous guy in the relationship, so maybe 6 out of 10.
Makes sense. Makes sense.
Yeah.
यार एक बात तो ना बहुत clear है that if you want to date a fitness freak, then you need to be a fitness freak because then Gym Bros और Sis का जो bar है, it's really high. So if you are single, then you need to be at High Rocks 2026 because the people here are really hot. And you know, if you like this video, share it with your friends, like this video, comment on this video, and hit that subscribe button. Okay, bye. That was it. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Where do I send the invoice for this?
We'll tell you. Next High Rocks 2027.